Welcome to Citadel Watch. We present to your attention wristwatches that you can buy from us. These men's Rado Sintra Chronograph wristwatches are crafted in an elegant and modern style, combining durable materials with the precision of Swiss manufacturing. The case is made from stainless steel and silver-toned ceramic, offering durability and scratch resistance. The silver ceramic bracelet adds a sophisticated look and ensures comfort on the wrist. The case size is 34 mm, making these watches versatile and perfect for everyday wear. The durable sapphire crystal protects the dial, which is in brand new condition. The watch is powered by a quartz movement, ensuring accurate timekeeping and reliable performance. The Rado Sintra Chronograph features several functions, including hours, minutes, seconds, date, and chronograph, making it not only a stylish accessory but also a functional tool. The watch offers basic water resistance, providing protection against splashes. Previously used, these watches are in excellent condition with no visible damage. The ceramic case and bracelet are highly resistant to scratches, maintaining the high-quality appearance of the watch. Swiss-made, these watches guarantee quality and durability. Have a nice day and happy shopping. Best wishes, your Citadel Watch.